We are going to be doing a Dermasweep on our patient today. So a little bit about what a Dermasweep is. This is a mild form of an exfoliation. So for those who are familiar with a micro-dermabrasion, it is very similar to that. With this, we can actually do an infusion along with the Dermasweep, which is wonderful. We can infuse either with a vitamin C or with a hyaluronic acid. We can do something for brightening. So it depends really what the patient and client is really looking to do, so we can really customize it for you, which is great. We're going to be starting off with, we already did a cleanse, so we're going to be starting off with a mild lactic peel, which would be an add-on for this service for an additional $25. But it is really great to do right before the Dermasweep treatment, just to get that dead skin off, so we can really work on the layer right underneath that. So we already did the cleanse. I'm going to just go over the face with an alcohol swab just to sanitize, and then we will go ahead and apply the chemical peel. We'll leave it on for about 2 minutes or so, and then neutralize, and we'll go ahead and start the Dermasweep treatment. Obviously you can tell it's right kind of in the middle of, as for how aggressive we're going to make the treatment, so we can actually customize that for each patient. So depending on how thick this is, some of the bristles are a little softer, some of them are a little bit more dense, and then I can control the vacuum as well. So if you are a little bit more sensitive, I would just not make it as aggressive and just kind of lower the suction a bit. So really everyone can get this done.
The thing is, I know it's not supposed to, it's not meant for removing blackheads, but I always see a difference in the pores in my nose and my blackheads after the Dermasweep. I think it's just because, that suction is so strong. Even though it's not